Hey guys, Kevin with WaterMonster here, and today I want to talk to you about our new UltraSpout touch-free dispenser. Works a lot like a soda fountain dispenser, and it flows at a rate of about 6 ounces per second. Now we are working on a foot pedal operation, but that's coming soon here. But as you can see, it does fit on any common water cooler, and it also fits in our patented 125-gallon WaterMonster tank. So let's take a look and see how easy it is to install, and then let's see it work in action. The first step is to remove the factory spigot. You'll need a pair of pliers to remove it. Then remove the rubber gasket and the nut from the UltraSpout. Install the UltraSpout into your cooler. Install the factory rubber gasket into the UltraSpout and then screw on the nut, being careful not to cross thread. Now that your UltraSpout's installed, I want to show you two important features. One is the collapsible support arm. This prevents the cooler from sliding back as people press the dispenser. The other is the locking feature. You can simply slide the collar forward, and now it's locked in position. Let's see how the UltraSpout performs. This is a 5-gallon water cooler that's about half full, and I've got a 16-ounce glass here. Let's see how fast it pours. That fast. Well, that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, the UltraSpout's easy to install. It pours fast. It works on any water cooler. It works on the WaterMonster tank. And please share this video with anyone who you think it could help. And as always, you can call me, you can email me if you have any questions. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you on the next WaterMonster video.